Welcome to my lecture series. In this video we will be seeing profit and loss problems. So to explain this, let me say that I have a chips packet. I get it for 100 rupees and now I sell this to you for 120 rupees. So what is this CPSP? So the cost price, the amount that I have given to get it is what the cost price. Always what you get is cost price and what you sell is selling price. So what is profit now? If the selling price is higher than the cost price, then it is called as profit. In case of loss, if the cost price is higher than the selling price. And these are the very important formulas that you need to know. So the percentage profit is equal to, so that is the profit percentage. The first one is what? The profit. And the second one is the profit percentage. And these are the very easy formulas that you can always remember, and there is no need to explain any formula here. So these are very basic level problems, formulas that you can understand by yourself. In case now I have given you what is profit, what is loss, and the percentage profit and percentage loss. Now in case you need to find the selling price and cost price, you have two conditions. Sometimes they might have given you the gain percentage. If the gain percentage is given, you need to find the selling price, the first formula, and in case you need to find the cost price, there is a second formula. So in case you need to find the selling price and cost price given the loss percentage, so here are the two formulas. So what I have explained you here in this video is totally what is a profit, loss, percentage profit, percentage loss, and the formulas for selling price and cost price when profit and loss is given. Now we'll go to the problem. A man buys a toy for rupees 25. So the cost price of the toy is 25 rupees and he is selling it for 30 rupees. Now the selling price of the toy is 30. You have to find the gain percentage. So the percentage gain is equal to selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. So this is what the formula. You have to directly apply on the formula and you'll get the answer. So 5 by 25 into 100, that is 20 percentage. So the gain percentage is 20. Such a easy problem. And the same problem, a boy buys a pen for rupees 25 and he sells it for rupees 20. So the cost price and selling price. So after seeing the cost price and selling price, now we have calculated it as a loss, right? So the percentage loss is equal to, so cost price minus selling price divided by cost price into 100. This is the formula and you need to apply the values in the formula to get the answer. So 25 minus 20 by 20 into 100, that is 20 percentage. So the percentage loss is 20. Now this is the third problem. So 11 oranges are bought for rupees 10 and 10 are sold for rupees 11. Find the percentage gain or loss. Now let the person purchase 110 oranges. Okay. So in these problems what you have to do is you have to imagine something to do this. So now I am imagining that if suppose the person purchases 110 oranges. Okay. Now the cost price of 11 oranges is 10 rupees. What is the cost price of one orange? It is 10 by 11. Now the cost price of 110 orange. Why? Because I am imagining that I am getting 110 oranges. Okay. Now the cost price of 110 oranges will be 10 by 11 into 110. It is 100 rupees. So the cost price of 110 oranges is 100 rupees. What other thing they have given you? The selling price. So the selling price of 10 oranges is 11 rupees. So he got 11 oranges for 10 rupees and he sells 10 oranges for 11 rupees. Now the selling price of 1 orange is what? It is 11 by 10. What I am doing? I have got 110 oranges. So I am going to sell all the 110 oranges. Now it will be 11 by 10 into 110. That is 120 rupees, 121 rupees. Now you know what is the selling price. You know what is the cost price. So what will be the profit? So the profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is 121 minus 100, that is 21 rupees. You have find the profit, but you need to find the profit percentage. Okay, the percentage profit is equal to selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100, that is 21 by 100 into 100 is what? 21%. So this is the percentage gain he is getting. Now this method has a shortcut. Okay, so when you understand the detailed method clearly, you can go for the shortcut method. So there is no use in memorizing the shortcut. Okay, now you have to write two lines. One is for purchase line and other is for sales line. Purchase is what here? 11 orange for 10 rupees, and sales is 10 orange for 11 rupees. So first write these lines. At the starting, what you have to do is you have to write both the lines, purchase, sales, and you have to write the question back to back. Okay, now write 11, 10, and again this 10 and 10 for 11 rupees. Okay, you have to write like this: 11, 10, 10 and 11. Now the formula here is percentage profit or percentage loss is equal to 11 into 11 minus 10 into 10 divided by 10 into 10 into 100. Why is this 100 coming here? It is because of the percentage loss or percentage profit. Okay, when you simplify, you will get 21%. So another thing what you have to understand is, here in this formula, if you get the negative value, it will be a loss, and if you get the positive value, it will be a profit. And one more thing is, first line is for purchase and the second line is for sales. Okay, now the next problem. A man buys oranges at 9 for rupees 16 and sells them at 11 for rupees 20. So what is the purchase? Write the oranges for 16 rupees, and what is the sales? 11 oranges for 20 rupees. So 9, 16, 11, 20. So what is the percentage profit or percentage loss? That is equal to 9 into 20 minus 16 into 11 divided by 11 into 16 into 100. 100 is because you need to find the percentage. So 180 minus 176 divided by 176 into 100. So 4 by 176 into 100, that is 100 by 44 to 3 by 11%. So this is the percentage profit. It is a, since it is a positive sign, it is a gain. So if it is a negative sign, it will be a loss. So these problems you can solve with the shortcut method. And thank you for watching.